It's been raining a lot for the past week. It rains in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. This has both pros and cons. Some of the problems with rain is that when it keeps raining, my clothes don't dry properly. I don't own a dryer, and so it just keeps raining and raining and raining. I can't get my clothes dry. I also can't seem to bring my girls out as much because of the rain. We can't go to the park, we can't go to the playground. But there are also a lot of benefits to rain. When it rains this often, the weather is very cool and there isn't a need to switch on the aircon. And another benefit is that it being raining keeps us at home and keeps us safe during a pandemic. The Bible says in Ezekiel 34 verse 26, there will be showers of blessings. Whenever we see this rain, let's be reminded about the good sides of rain and about how God showers His blessings on all of us, day after day, night after night. So let us enjoy the cool weather and the blessings that come with the rain.